But Laws of Gravity, incredible film. I actually first heard about the film from the Talking Sopranos podcast.
And this episode was directed by a guy named Nick Gomez. Now, he did Edie's movie, Laws of Gravity. That really kind of broke Edie and introduced her to the public.
When Peter Green came through the door, he just had something that was a kind of an artistic magic that was broken and also beautiful and elegant at the same time. And
another realization I had when watching the film, like I knew how good Edie Falco was from like The Sopranos and stuff like that. There's never a split second in your movie where she's phoning it in. She's crushing it.
I saw Edie in an off Broadway play that she had put on, actually at the Shooting Gallery, and I fell in love with her at that very moment. My gimmick was simply, if you turn this on in the middle of the night on HBO or Cinemax or whatever, you'd think you're watching a documentary.
Film Situation Podcast.